creating some distance from the customary digital forms of money. Uniswap works on a decentralized P2P trade computerized market producer to empower the exchanging of crypto resources. Likewise, it works on conventional trades. Before we dive into the Uniswap cost forecast, let us examine a portion of the exceptional highlights of Uniswap. Being connected to Ethereum empowered as two brilliant agreements to procure interest. Uniswap has an extraordinary component and give liquidity straightforwardly from liquidity suppliers. This component of Uniswap goes about as a significant impetus in completely eliminating the obstacle concerning token mining. In a way, it advances straightforwardness, wiping out the brokers or consent totally. Thus, rather than the singular cryptographic forms of money, the advanced resources are connected as matches. Thus, the liquidity gets administered for these parts as needs be. As a decentralized convention for mechanized liquidity arrangement on ETH, Uniswap shocked the whole crypto space when during pandemic Uniswap chose to send off this token Uni on September 17, 2020. This was enchantment for that large number of holding Uniswap as they turned tycoons on September 17, 2020. While surprising the crypto world, an influx of Stages administration token began administering the crypto conversations once more. Look at the Unicoin subtleties before we leap to itemized Uniswap cost expectation. Uniswap, figuring out details. The vision of Uni stands tall and firm, leaving impressions on the mechanical and utilitarian ecospace. Uni sustains trust alongside comfort, making the existences of the Uniswap clients overall simple. There are factors separated from the over that administer the Uniswap cost impartially, viz. The connection among market interest is the well-established peculiarity of problematic connection works for Uni token. Dealers come to advertise with yearnings that the Uniswap digital currency market they hold will guarantee extraordinary returns. Nonetheless, because of pandemic, financial backers are constrained to search for other supporting methodologies or any elective flow venture choice. If the interest for decentralized finance applications goes up, it will be good for Uni tokens as well. The more the holders begin purchasing the token for a tremendous scope. No big surprise, the cost will go childhood, the stockpile might descend. Uniswap change in cost occurring over these midpoints will areas of strength for show. Right now, the cost of $40 as shown by Uniswap is moderate yet sharp and can shoot to better levels. According to Uniswap Uni cost expectations, this is the most suitable opportunity to book benefit in the Uniswap by taking advantage of your abilities as a swing merchant. To comprehend the value variances of Uni better, it would be great to dig further into the past annal of Uniswap. Uniswap, the well-qualified assessment. While the underlying stage for Uniswap didn't see a lot of worthiness with the majority, it required investment for Uni projections to construct that trust and work towards it. Without a doubt, it arose as a pioneer in the most recent 24 hours. Cost stands tall at the cost of $40.30 today. At last beam of trust. There is potential for combining patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for Uniswap and show it might go on a higher feeling. As per Uniswap conjecture, the cost might reach 79 cents toward the finish of December 2022 temporarily. Uniswap has achieved one of the main 10 situations in digital currencies this year. And as per Uniswap cost expectations, the presentation may be entirely kept up within the approaching 5 years as well. This will lead the cost to move higher. As per Uniswap cost forecast, Uniswap could fill triple in 6 years, say by 2026. In the following 5 years, it ought to have a reasonable meeting around $30 to $40. As per Uniswap value expectation and specialized examination, Uniswap has a splendid future. It might have somewhat impacted by bears, yet we'll see the bull ride around 2023 and its cost might blow the rooftop, crossing $60. The ongoing cost of Uni is above $10. With the computerized resource Uni token having a market capitalization of $6,707,508,563, it is without a doubt a hopefulness in crypto space winning in the far-off skyline in view of Uniswap cost conjecture. The ongoing ATH and new ATH will have immense contrast. Uniswap value expectation 2022. Having begun late in last year, the Uniswap value activity will ride a bullish pattern all through 2022. Will keep riding news waves proceeding into 2023. Some in the middle of between the years 2022 and 2023, the value developments of USD should have been visible, taking it to a higher point fixed at $15, followed by a quick sharp rectification toward the finish of 2022. Taking into account the main year, as per Uni cost expectation 2022, the base cost would reach to $12 and most extreme cost to $15. The typical cost would be $13.50. Uniswap value forecast 2023. fluctuating somewhere in the range of $14 and $17 as per Uniswap cost expectation 2023. The cost of Uniswap might show some opposition, however it can't be said with sureness about the positive difference in cost of Uni concerning whether these 3 years would stamp the brilliant time for this cryptographic money Uni. There could be a few massive changes in crypto industry situations, market positions, monetary overwhelms, strategy rebuilding, or some other political justification for the coin to have its presentation on trade. Uni, nonetheless, is known to be strong and predictable. Both worldwide financial matters may too affect Uniswap cost development. As indicated by Uniswap expectation, the base cost would reach to $14 and greatest cost to $17.20. The typical cost would be $15. Uniswap value expectation 2024. A few specialists likewise foresee as per Uni cost expectation that value revision may likewise be powerful around this period, taking the Uniswap cost around $18 in 2024, riding as a market producer. In the main, a portion of the cost would reach up to $18.50. Area explicit changes also influence the cost of Uniswap. Consequently, coming towards its modern objectives, one thing that can be ensured about the Uni token is that the stars are splendid for this resource. Having reformed the whole worldwide page of exchanges, Uni token sets out on the journey of leaving a surprising impression on this biological system. Uniswap value expectation 2025. According to Uniswap value expectation and our own examination, a few hypotheses around the cost of Uniswap in 2023 likewise features that Uni would ride the buyer market by 2025. Uni could try and arrive at another high of $22. Uniswap appears now to competition to set a record, confirming its position, showing solidness. As per Uniswap expectation, in the primary half, it would go up to $16 and the greatest cost would reach to $23 in the year 2025. Uniswap value expectation 2026. As per Uni cost expectation, as this year is gone before by the mining occasion, there ought to be a bullish development driving the cost of Uniswap to go on towards a base value level of $25 without a doubt. In the principal half it would reach to $24 and in the drawn out it would reach to $26. This ought to be a decent Uniswap gauge fascination for merchants and individual financial backers to empty in their cash into Uni Kitty. And we could see positive cost change. Uniswap, a rising end. As per Uniswap cost expectation, there are extraordinary expectations the crypto local area holds for Uni, and it is most likely an ideal apparatus for designers and specialists producing all the more such decentralized applications. Taking into account Uniswap is a new undertaking and gullible locally, it ultimately depends on the initiative group to provide it the ideal guidance to enhance the objectives set with the end goal of a more exorbitant cost. There are more splendid skylines, yet everything reduces to the reality how the whole computerized cash industry flourishes. Actually, look at here are other long-haul digital currency expectations. Does Uniswap have a future? Right now, the exchanging volume of Uniswap is $1,229,613,764 and the market cap of $21,045,755,194 in the crypto market. The ongoing cost of Uniswap is $10.26. In the event that reliable financial backers stay firm in their confidence in the cash, the Uni token cost is most likely going to rise